Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. Wino Wednesday. Yes, I love a good glass of vino, just like anybody. Last night, I did my Sloppy Joes. It's really kind of funny because Robert and I both used tortillas at first for the first round of our Sloppy Joes. It was a lot of fun. We always try to have tortillas on hand. We do. We both love them. And we use a lot of them. So the Sloppy Joes are really good. Like I mentioned yesterday, I've been working on the recipe for quite a while, and I'm still fine-tuning it. So tonight, we're doing something fun. Meat Lovers Pizza Tacos. Now, I will admit, the recipe is not written very well, so before I post it up tomorrow, I'm going to fix a couple things and so forth. And I'm kind of modifying it just for the two of us. But this is going to be Meat Lovers Pizza Taco Bar. Robin does have a 6:30 Zoom meeting tonight, but she has plenty of time that she can build her own. So I'm going to lay out a smorgasbord. So I'm going to add some toppings to this throughout the day. So, yeah, let's go. Sheet pan and a skillet. That's all I need for hardware. 2 size tortillas. We've got regular size and the street taco size, or what we call the baby size. Some marinara. Some Italian pork sausage. This is the hot version. Some pepper salami. Like I said, I'm going to be adding some stuff. Some cheddar cheese and mozzarella shredded. Some black olives sliced. I'll probably use them. Robin probably won't. But some red pepper flakes. And some Parmesan cheese for garnish. And I'll chop up and do a chiffonade on some fresh basil. Yeah. Like I said, I'm going to add a couple things. I got some green onions and some other stuff between the pantry and in the cold box. I'll add some other toppings for us to choose from. So we'll be just meat lovers. So it's supposed to be raining later on today. It's a little chilly this morning, hence the pullover sweatshirt. So yeah, on this Wino Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.